forget. Yep, I forgot the first thing I use. Hold. Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine. A few of you guys have asked me for one, and since I'm super nice, I'm going to do it for you today. My skincare routine is really simple. I don't normally do much for it, that's why I've never filmed one before. But I feel like now my skincare routine has enough substance to it that I can film one. So with that being said, before we get on to the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it. And if you'd like to know what my skincare routine is and what products I use, then please just keep watching. So what I first do to take off my makeup is I use a makeup removing wipe. If I have a whole lot of makeup on or I did a really glam look, then I will use this Garnier micellar water. Sometimes I'll use it if I don't have any makeup wipes either. It just depends, but for more heavy makeup, I use this with a cotton pad, and I've gone through a ton of these. But recently I've just been using a makeup wipe because I haven't been wearing much makeup. It's just kind of my everyday makeup. I got these from Winners, and they are the Creme Shot Take the Day Off makeup wipes. I have 60 in here for $7. Like, are you kidding me? I had to get them. They always have a bunch of these packs there. Instead of spending $10 for 10, you can get 60 for $7. So I got these. They have a really cute opening here, and they're pretty good. They don't take off every little bit of your makeup, but take off the majority, and then the next step I do gets the rest off. I'm also gonna try and not wipe off my eyebrows because it's my mom's birthday today. We're all gonna hang out later, so I don't actually want to take off all of my makeup. My brows have to stay. I also use the wipes for my eyes. I know a lot of people don't like to use makeup wipes for their eyes because it's pretty rough on them, and they're not kidding, it is. It's just I'm just too lazy to be using two different makeup removers. Okay, my makeup is off. Before I go any further with my makeup steps, I also wanted to mention that this is my nighttime skincare routine. I don't do this every morning. What I do in the morning is actually just what I do to prep before my makeup. I don't do it right when I wake up in the morning unless I'm going to work. What I do for that is I just pop on some of this moisturizer. It is from Pixi. This is what it looks like, however you pronounce that. And then I pop on some of this Clinique Pep Start eye cream depending on how my eyes are looking that day. I don't bother with eye cream at nighttime. Sometimes I do, I used to, but now I don't really, so that's what I do in the morning. Moving on to my next step, it's probably one of my favorite steps besides moisturizer, because who doesn't like moisturizer? And that is this guy. This is the Pixi Rose Tonic, and it's freaking amazing. So this is a toner. It obviously tones your face, but it also gets rid of the excess makeup that's on your face. So I just pop some of this onto a cotton pad, and then I wipe it all over my face. And as you can see, it's getting the rest of the gross makeup that is left on my face. And don't forget to get down your neck, which I didn't really get good with my makeup wipe, so there's going to be a lot of makeup on this cotton pad. How gross is that? So if I didn't do that, that would have all still been left on my face. Now I just give it a little wave to dry it off, because I like to go in with a face mask next. I use face masks all the time. I love all kinds. Sheet masks, mud masks. My favorite recently have been peel off masks. Wow, this video is going to be filled with a lot of the same words. So anyways, this is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. It's pink. I also really love the Pixi T-Zone Peel Off Mask, but for today I'm going to be using this one. And just for the sake of this video, I'm not going to put it everywhere I normally do. I normally will put it all in my T-zone, so forehead here, my nose, and my chin. But for today's video, just to save some time, because it's not actually nighttime right now, I'm not going to be going to bed after this. It's the middle of the day, but as I'm filming it now, I'm just going to do a little bit to show you guys. And this takes about 10 to 15 minutes to dry, so I will be back when it's dry. I was actually starving, so I'm eating a tomato sandwich really quick, but my mask is now dry. Okay, all dry. I'm going to take this off now, and it's super easy. All you do is now peel it off, and bam. The next step I do is take a serum. I have been using this one by Biotherm lately. It is the Life Plankton Elixir. I love how Biotherm's skincare smells too. It just smells so clean. I put a lot on, way more than you actually need to, but I love my skin to be hydrated. Actually, wow, I didn't realize I put that much on because I was looking in the viewfinder. That's way too much. Wow. So I usually do half that. I also take it down on my neck. And with this product, I also wait for it to dry down a little before I move on to my next one. All right, once that's dried down, I move on to my next product, which is an oil. I go through face oils like a madman. I love them so much. The one I'm using right now is the Pixi Rose Oil Blend. I'm almost out of this too. I also put this all over my chest when I hop out of the shower, but we are trying to save product now because we're low. I just put a drop on either side of my face and just use circular motions to blend it up into my skin. I also run this on my neck. Every oil or cream based product I use, I also put on my neck because you can't forget about that. Next product, I could cry, it's so amazing. This is the Pixi Rose Ceramide Creme. Probably not pronouncing that right either, but it's amazing. And I know I'm using a lot of Pixi products, but the great thing about that is they are way more affordable than high-end and luxury skincare is. So this is described as an intensive moisturizer, and that is correct because this is insane. It's very thick and my dry skin loves it. I usually need a lot of moisturizer to hydrate my skin, but with this I just need a very small amount, especially mixed in with the oil and everything. My face has enough hydration, but popping this on just makes it all the much better, and it keeps my skin so hydrated throughout the night. So now I also just rub this into my skin. Pretty self-explanatory. Moisturizing is my favorite step to skincare, and it is, I think, the most important step. Another part of my skincare is my lips, and I never go anywhere without chapstick, but specifically if I'm doing this whole routine at night, I will put on a lip mask throughout the night because my lips are extremely dry and I'll have to keep waking up to put chapstick on if I don't use a mask. So a mask it is, and the one I'm using right now is the new Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy. You will wake up and your lips will still be moisturized. What's cute about their new little products is they come with a little spatula too, so you don't have to put your finger into it. And honestly, you just need the tiniest amount, and that is enough for the whole night. And then I just pop this on, and that is the last step. Other little things I do, which I don't do every single day, that's why I'm not including it within this routine, but I do like to use eye masks a lot. I usually just use them in the middle of the day or in the morning. The ones I've been using are also from Pixi right now. These are the Pixi Detoxifeye Depuffing Eye Patches, and this pack comes with 30. The ones I was using before were from Patchology, and I also use some amazing ones that are from Amazon, and they're really cheap, so I'll link those below. And then I also like to do lip scrubs, so I don't do this every day either. I was using the Bite Beauty Agave lip scrub, and then they came out with a new one that says it's just a weekly one. I'm not sure why, but this is the Agave weekly lip scrub. I've been using this more so, but I do use this one as well. Okay, well, that is it for my skincare routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I'm making a ruckus. Ah, no! I spilled that. Wow. Do you mind?